everyone, and welcome to Number 9 Farms. I have got some things to show you. Yes, we're still without power, and it is now 10:30 in the morning. Bruce made breakfast. Bruce is here.
Chef Mom Bruce. I'm putting on my logging hat now.
Yeah, so we've got to go out, and I've already done all the animals outside and everything. So everybody's taken care of, and the chicken thing collapsed in the back because, yeah.
Just because.
All right, so we'll show you. Oh my gosh, I just got a whole bunch of snow fall in my face. And look, it crushed the whole little runner with that tree limb. Look, crushed the whole thing. Yeah, the tree limb, all. A whole bunch of trees fell over there too. Luckily, nothing fell on the house, that's for sure, because look at all of them down. Look at this. Now, if it goes blurry or you see my glove, I'm over here! There's that one. I'm over here! That one fell. Whoa, look at this one. Falling across and woo! Oh my, the power line out there is hanging way down. That one broke off. Oh, it's okay. Wow. Oh my goodness. Woo, my face feels like a windshield. Here comes Bruce with his chainsaw.
I got my lumberjack hat on.
Oh.
Everywhere down. Oh my God.
Yes, wait till you see this one. Need snowshoes according to Cody. It's piled up all the way to the side in a little drift. This is still not as deep as it was the first time we came, and when we first got here. I hope it's focusing, because it's hard for me to see the screen. Oh. Whoa, I'm telling you, it's got some deepness to it. I don't know, but we need to go down our driveway. Oh yeah. If you take off the snow, maybe we can move it. Then that way, if it does fall. Let's hope so. So, of course, we lost this one right here, which I knew that one was going down. And look at all of them snapped everywhere. Oh. Oh, it blows in your eyes. Oh, it's like a slush puppy for sure. Look at that. Where's Bigfoot at when you need him?
I see why they broke. They're really heavy.
Yes. This is a wet snow.
Yeah, it's really.
It's a dense, wet, slushy. Oof.
Like it's touching the ground on there.
Yeah, I know. It does that. It's definitely weighted down. It's tough. Just walking in it is hard because it's so thick. But yet,
It's gonna melt.
it's not powdery. It's so heavy and compacted.
It's gonna melt really quickly and make a big mess.
Yeah. Oh yeah, those power lines are woof. Another one down. We made it to the end of the road and it's completely just woof. And it's windy out here. You don't know how sheltered you are until you come out to the openings. The power lines, look. You see them? If you can tell, I don't know. 'Cause I can't see. They're... Oh. The greenhouse has the shade cloth on, which is not good when you have snow. But Bruce got it all off, and it is melting because there is heat on in there, and the lights are on too. But you can see the roof is oh my! I don't know if it's focusing, guys. I'm sorry if it's not. I can't see. Windshield wipers for my glasses. See where the tops have fallen out of the trees, and over here too, like right over there, you can see the whole, well, it went away. You gotta love it, right? Okay, hope you can see it, but I did it. And now here come the winds. This is what they talked about. And you can see I hope it's in focus. I can't tell. Hiding the light in that tree. I hope I can see it. I can't see it now on the camera, but I see it in. There it is. I can see it on the camera. What are you doing? Are you telling everybody hello? Yes, of course you are. Well, we're back inside, and I'm gonna tell you. Woo! it was rough out there. No, but I'm glad to be back inside. Well, I'm heating up the soup for today. And Bruce cut up some fresh onions to put on top. Alrighty, now lunch is served. Guys, we're gonna ride to get some more fuel for the generator. So if the hardware store is open, I had ordered some Happy Frog potting mix, and so he's ordered that in for me. So I should, if he's got it today, I saved out my money from the last show because I knew it was coming, and he said it was coming this Wednesday, so I'm hoping it's there today. So if he's open, it may not be open, and they've already canceled school for tomorrow again, because of course we have no power, and that's the reason they're canceling schools. And still, like, the whole county and Iron Mountain, Delta County, Dickerson County, all those counties are out. Right, Bruce?
Yeah.
So he's checking it.
1,500 people still in our area out of the 1,900 this morning.
Yeah. So they're working on it. It's
Still 5,000 people without power here.
Yeah. So there's a lot of people in the UP without power for sure. And somebody came with us because she thinks if I go during the day, she has to go because she's my little partner. Guys, look here. The power line is running across the road. And there's a pole down over there. How far back is it? Oh, I see it right here. Look.
Let me back up a little bit further.
Oh yeah, there it is. Look. Yep, from that pole right there. Yep, you can see it down, and it's running across the road over to the other side. Right, there's the pole and the yellow down in the ground. The power lines are down into the water over there. You can see it right through there.
Yeah,
It's gonna be a while. Yesterday it was 348, and today 367. So guys, I'm out in the greenhouse now. I was gonna do a couple transplants. I'm trying to mix in my stuff here with the bag of potting mix and the stuff that I added in. Added a little bit of bone meal, blood meal, all that stuff. We're getting ready for the chicks. They should be here tomorrow. They're in. Every time I mix that in, it takes. It always, that dust makes me cough. But Bruce is bringing in all the stuff right now to get ready for the baby chicks, because we have the meat birds coming tomorrow. At least I think they'll come tomorrow because they're in Green Bay today. And other than that, we're gonna do some transplants right now. Get some of these ones out of their cups. So, all right. These are the small fancy gourds. One of the viewers told me about here in the UP, if you want to get your gourds, because I always grew gourds like crazy in North Carolina, all kinds, and they said that you needed to plant them in March, and that way they had enough time to grow. And so I've done it, and we shall see what we get this year. So I'm getting ready to put them in 1 gallon pots right now, which I have a lot of the 1 gallon pots that I get from what is it, Grower Solution. Yes, so I get a lot of the pots from them, and they ship really well. They ship fast, and that's where but these, like these little cups here, all of these came from the Nolt brothers. So if you're ever looking to buy a bunch of them, but these trays that I have right here, these all came from Bootstrap Farmer. So, and those are absolutely awesome. But that's an investment too. We're going to do the transplant, and as long as it's a nice little sized plant, whether it's, you know, usually I'll give it a day or two, but if not, I'm using the AgroThrive fruit and flower liquid fertilizer, and I do exactly what it says for the seedling mix, which is right here on the back of the package, the starter plants. And I have a little medicine cup. Use the gallon jugs, and after it's transplanted, I go ahead and give it a little bit of juice. So and this little stuff in there, the powder, this is the mycorrhiza. So I put a little pinch of that in the bottom, and then I give it the juice. So, and I'll put the tag on it. Hey, you hear that? She thinks if I'm in this greenhouse, she's supposed to be here too. Aren't you? You supposed to be with Mama? Huh? Are you supposed to be with Mama? Huh? You're not going to answer me? Okay, I'll come get you. Hey, there she is. She's over there now. They had to come too. Tell them. You had to come out here, huh, to be with your mama. You had to be with your mama. I got all those done in the back in the 1 gallon pots. And I think maybe this one right here in front, the loofah. So, and we've got ready for the babies tomorrow. And I put some covers on these, a little bit taller ones, so that when I'm gone to the show, I don't have to worry about them because they got plenty of moisture. And
if this block is too tall, when we put the water in here, you just take one of them off. I'll put 2 of them in there.
Okay.
How's that look?
Looks good. So we're still on a generator, still no power.
I don't think we're going to have power for days.
Yeah, there's a lot of power lines down, but
and poles and everything.
Yes.
It's a mess.
So the heater's getting ready to come on. We're your old man to death, right?
I like to feel down. I sit down this mountain. I look back. You didn't get to see the show. You missed out.
Oh, I missed out, didn't I?
Yeah.
Oh my goodness. So this is what I got down at the
Labels out for my comedian.
I told him he had to put my labels out. Well, if I'm going to have it in here, I want to see that cute little frog. So. Cooper is cooking tonight, and we're having baked ziti. Ziti. And we got a lid on the pan, thanks to Teresa for getting our water boiling faster. I love it. A mama bear tip. And we have these for tonight. Not exactly what I wanted, but we have them. So we have 2 of these from 2020. And you know, there was probably, I don't know, 150 jars or more. So, but it's got to be getting down. That's why I did a few more this year. So Booby's got the ricotta cheese and the noodles all mixed in. And now he's going to mix in the sauce after he gets that good and mixed in. And the water boiled so quick tonight. I had to looky there. Since this is our gas oven, and I used that instead. Guys, look at this. It's all done. Thanks to Cooper. Thank you, Cooper. Take a bow. Take a bow, Cooper.
Do that?
Yay!